Question number 3, example number 4. If y plus z upon a is equal to z plus x upon b is equal to x plus y upon c, then show that x upon b plus c minus a is equal to y upon c plus a minus b is equal to z upon a plus b minus c. Now this is our to prove. Show that means to prove. See this to prove. To prove x upon b plus c minus a is equal to y upon c plus a minus b is equal to z upon a plus b minus c. Now proof. See this proof. Now see this denominator of our to prove. See here carefully. B plus C minus A. This is our denominator of to prove. First ratio, what is denominator? B plus C minus A. Now see here B. This is denominator B. The numerator of this denominator b, what is z plus x, then what is sign b here? After b, what is sign? Plus. Now denominator c and its numerator is x plus y minus here denominator a. See, denominator a. What is the numerator of denominator a? Y plus z. Did you understand? Now, I will write here. See this, x plus x, 2x, then left plus z plus y. X plus x, 2x, and this plus z plus y. Then minus sign, here minus, so internal sign changes, means plus becomes minus upon b plus c minus a. Did you understand? Therefore here plus z minus z, this plus y minus y cancel. Therefore, we write here, what is left? 2x upon b plus c minus a is equal to, we write k. This is equation number 1. Similarly, we take this denominator. See here carefully. What is c plus a minus b? Second denominator of our to prove, c plus a minus b. Now c numerator, what is x plus 1 plus numerator of a y plus z. Then this sign minus bracket b, value means numerator of b, z plus x. Did you understand? Is equal to, see this, y plus y, 2y. Okay, then what is left? X plus x plus z. Because of minus sign, internal sign changes. Minus z minus x upon c plus a minus b. Here plus z minus z. This x plus and minus cancel. Therefore, what is left? 2y upon, or I will write here 2y upon c plus a minus b is equal to k. This is equation number 2. Did you understand? Now I will take here third denominator. What is third denominator? See that a plus b minus c. Okay. Then what is the numerator of a? Y plus z, plus numerator of b, z plus x. This minus sign, minus numerator of c, x plus y. Did you understand? Upon this denominator a plus b minus c is equal to, here z plus z, 2z plus y plus x. Because of this minus sign, internal sign changes, minus x minus y upon a plus b minus c. Did you understand? Now here this plus y minus y plus x minus x cancel. Therefore 2z upon a plus b minus c is equal to k. This is equation number 3. Therefore from equations 1, 2 and 3. See here k, here k and here k. K same, equal. Therefore means right hand sides are equal. Right hand sides are equal. Right hand sides of 1, 2 and 3 are equal. So left hand sides are also equal. Therefore what is first? 2x upon what is b plus c minus a. This is equation number 1, LHS. Then second 2y upon c plus a minus b is equal to third 2z upon a plus b minus c. Did you understand? All these three ratios are equal. Now here this is equal to this. This ratio is equal to this ratio. So 2 cancel. This ratio is equal to this. So these are cancelled. Therefore our to prove, see here, our to prove x upon b plus c minus a is equal to y upon c plus a minus b is equal to z upon a plus b minus c. This is your 2.